Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss some important MCQs on ICT for your upcoming Northeast set. This is the syllabus for Information and Communication Technology. We have already provided you videos on the some of the topics. Then as you all know, we are providing you 40 mock tests for paper 1 and 1000 MCQs. Each unit is carrying 100 MCQs here, so you will be prepared for 3000 MCQs. I think this is enough preparation for your paper 1. We can also download PDF of all the tests with solutions. Then each unit you can get notes. We are providing you complete study material and only at rupees 599. To join for these tests, you can contact to this given number, and also you can download our Global Online University app from Play Store and select the Northeast category. Once if you subscribe for these tests, you will be added to our Northeast site WhatsApp group, where you will get the links of the test, where you can download the PDFs and all. So let us move to the questions. Here the question is, the combination of computing, telecommunication and media in a digital atmosphere is referred as option A online communication, option B integrated media, option C digital combined, option D convergence. Yes, here the right answer is option D, convergence is the right answer. Yes, convergence means it is the process by which telecommunications, information technology and media that are originally operated, means all these are combined together, is known as the convergence. So let us move to the next question. Community radio is a type of radio service that caters to the interests of option A local audience, option B education, option C entertainment, option D news. Yes, community radio, it caters the interest of local audience. So option A local audience is the correct answer. Let us go to the next question. Which of the following is the only flash memory? Option A RAM, option B EEPROM, option C PROM, option D EPROM. Yes, here the flash memory is option B EEPROM. Yes, flash memory means it is an electronic non-volatile computer memory. Please remember, flash memory is non-volatile memory storage medium, and the two main types of flash memory are, one is NOR flash memory, second one is NAND flash memory. Okay, let us move to the next question. In the context of email, what is spam? Option A, the act of overloading an email server by using denial of service attacks. Option B, email messages that are infected with viruses. Option C, a large quantity of messages that do not reach the recipient. Option D, unsolicited advertising sent to a large number of recipients. Yes, here the right answer is option D. Spam means unsolicited advertising sent to a large number of recipients is the correct answer. Let us go to the next question. SIMM stands for option A single inline memory module, option B serial input memory module, option C synchronous in memory module, option D synchronous input memory module. Here the right answer is option A single inline memory module. Yes, SIMM stands for single inline memory module. It is a type of memory module containing random access memory. Please remember it. SIMM contains random access memory. It is used in computers from early 1980s to the late 1990s. Yes, let us move to the next question. Which of the following statements are true with regard to the websites? P, a blog is a website that consists of posts in reverse chronological order. And Q is, a wiki is a website that is designed to allow people to collaborate easily. Yes, option A, P only is the correct statement. Option B, Q only is the correct statement. Option C, both P and Q. Option D, neither P nor Q. Yes, here the right answer is option C, both P and Q, both are blog, wiki, both are correct statements here. Let us move to the next question. The XML stands for option A extensible markup language, option B external markup language, option C external markup logic. Option D, external magnitude language. Yes, here the right answer is option A, extensible markup language is the correct answer. And what do you mean by XML? It stands for the extensible markup language. It is a markup language. It is a set of codes, tags, or that describes the next text in a digital document. And the most important, the most famous markup language is HTTP, hypertext markup language. I hope you got it. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following statements regarding the term ICT are true? P is a digital divide is an economic and social equality with regard to access to, use of, or impact of ICT. And Q is ICT helps in international development by bridging the digital divide and providing equitable access to technologies. Option A, P only is correct. Option B, Q only is correct. Option C, both P and Q are correct. Option D, neither P nor Q. Yes, here the right answer is option B, Q only is correct. ICT helps in international development by bridging the digital divide and providing equitable access to technologies. It is correct statement. And P is wrong here. A digital divide is an economic and social equality. No, digital divide is not economic and social equality. It is related to technology. So P is the wrong statement here. Let us move to the next question. The standard size of IP address. Option A 16 bits, option B 32 bits, option C 48 bits, option D 64 bits. I hope you all know the answer. Very easy question. The IP address size is 32 bits. Yes, your computer IP address, it is a 32 bit number. It is subdivided into 4 types. Here you can see the example of the IP address. 172.16.254.1. Here there are 4 parts are there in IP address with 32 bits. Let us move to the next question. The algorithm is basically option A, solution of a program, option B, random idea about a program, option C, the logical flow of a program, option D, none of the above. Yes, here the right answer is logical flow of a program. Algorithm means the logical flow of a program. Let us move to the next question. With regard to a word processing software, the process of combining static information in a publication together with variable information in a data source to create one merged publication is called option A, electronic mail, option B, data sourcing, option C, mail merge, option D, spam mail. Yes, here the right answer is option C, mail merge is the correct answer. And what do you mean by mail merge? Mail merge consists of combining mail and letters and pre-addressed envelopes or mailing labels for mass mailings from a form letter. Please remember it. This feature is usually employed in a word processing document and it contains fixed text and variables. I hope it is clear. Let us move to the next question. With regard to email, what does BCC means? Blind carbon copy. What does it mean? 4 options are given here. Let us move to the correct answer directly. Option B is the right answer. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. It means the user specified in BCC feed will get the email and see the addresses in the to and CC feeds. Yes, option B is the right answer. Let us go to the next question. Video transmission over the internet that looks like delayed live casting is called option A, virtual video, option B, direct broadcast, option C, video shift, option D, real time video. Yes, here the right answer is option D, real time video. It is a video transmission over the internet that looks like delayed live casting. Yes, let us move to the next slide. Here real time video transmission, it is the transmission of live video. Please remember it, and it implies that there is no delay at the receiving side or at the most imperceptible delays. Okay, it means there is no delays at the receiving side. And although a video broadcast that is streamed live may be considered real time video, there is an intentional buffer delay at the receiving end. And true real time video capability is required in a two-way video calling. Yes, let us move to the next question. In a computer, if 8 bits are used to specify address in memory, the total number of addresses will be option A 8, option B 256, option C 216, option D 512. Yes, the right answer is option B 256 is the correct answer. Yes, the next question is a email address is composed of 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. Yes, I hope you know how many parts are there in email. There are 2 parts, so option A is the correct. Yes, the general format of an email address is with 2 parts. One is local part, for example at domain, and second one is a specific part. Here you can see the example jsmith@example.com. There are 2 parts in the email. One is local part, another one is specific part. Okay, let's just move to the next question. Corel Draw is a popular option A illustration program, option B programming language, option C text program, option D none of the above. Yes, here the right answer is illustration program. Corel Draw, it is an illustration program. Yes, Corel Draw, it is a vector based designing software. Please remember it is a vector based designing software that is used for creating logos, flexes, brochures, invitation cards and all. And it was developed by Corel Corporation. So it is also known as the Corel's graphics suite. Yes friends, this is about today's session. Once again I would like to remind you about our 40 test plus 1000 MCQs for your upcoming Northeast set. Here you can also download the PDF notes on each unit we are providing you. Complete study material will be available to you only at rupees 599. To subscribe for these tests you can contact to this given number. You can also download our Global Online University app from the Play Store. On this WhatsApp group you will get the links. You can discuss on MCQs. You can download the solution PDF. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos on UGC NET and other state examination and also for mock tests, you can subscribe to Global Online University YouTube channel. Thank you.